As Bitcoin approaches 100,000, should you buy or should you sell? As it gets to a stage whereby the mass are trying to buy Bitcoin, what do you think? Is it going to go further? Well, logically, once it gets to 100,000, there may be some people that are going to take some profit. That's just logical. But what tends to happen with Bitcoin is when we're on this momentum, you get to those stages, people take some profit, but other people come in and they buy the Bitcoin that's dropped in price. You've now got large institutions that are investing in Bitcoin. Should you buy or should you sell? Could you take it just around 100,000 and then perhaps reinvest when the drop comes? It's difficult to time that. So my advice would be, if you're an investor, stay invested. Personal opinion. You could take the profits if you need the profits to particularly purchase something. I wouldn't be taking it out to invest into something else. Let it go. Why? Trump's coming in, and when Trump comes in, he wants to push that America becomes the digital capital of the world. In other words, he's going to be pushing crypto. Maybe he owns a load of Bitcoin. There's your conspiracy theory, but it's likely that they're going to be pushing on. Don't forget, Elon Musk is a Doge fan as well. So again, that's something else that is likely to continue. It might be a way of making the government more efficient by actually reducing the costs on payments. Could be massive. Let's see exactly what's happened. Should you buy or should you sell? Biggest case for Bitcoin, however, is 26% of Americans own Bitcoin. When it talks about the rest of the population, only 2.6% of the world's population own Bitcoin. In other words, there's a bigger case for people around the world who don't trust their governments, don't trust their currency, to invest in Bitcoin. Is it going higher? For me, it's going higher. Should you buy or should you sell? Okay, I'd be a buyer, not a seller, but I'd always have a diversified portfolio. Leave an opinion below. Do you agree with me?